In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master client management with ClickUp. If you've been searching for a way to streamline your processes and improve how you handle client relationships, then using ClickUp's client management SOP template could be a game changer for you. Let's begin by exploring how to use ClickUp's client management SOP template to its full potential. This template is designed to standardize the essential aspects of your client interactions, from onboarding to workflows, right through to offboarding. By creating a standard operating procedure, or SOP, you're establishing a consistent and efficient approach for your team to follow, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. One of the most powerful features of this template is the ability to customize statuses. This lets you track the journey of each client as they move through different phases of your business relationship. You might start with a prospect status, for instance. This is where you store potential clients who you think might be interested in your services. As they engage further, you can transition them to an onboarding status. This marks the phase where you welcome them aboard, setting the stage for a productive collaboration. Following this, clients typically move to the active status, indicating they are fully integrated and you're managing their needs regularly. Finally, there's the offboarding status. This phase is crucial for concluding your services in a professional manner, ensuring that all deliverables have been met and leaving a positive last impression that could lead to referrals or future business. Another remarkable tool within ClickUp is the ability to automate tasks. Automation can significantly increase efficiency by handling repetitive tasks that otherwise consume your time. For example, setting reminders for upcoming deadlines and automating follow-up emails with clients are invaluable. This level of automation ensures you remain consistently engaged with your clients without manually tracking every single action or date. Imagine how much more time you could devote to high-level strategy and relationship building when these routine tasks are on autopilot. Now, as you set up these automations, take some time to consider the unique needs of your business and tailor the automations to serve those needs best. The potential to customize is vast, so you might start with email templates for client communications, detailed task checklists for project stages, or even automated updates shared directly to your client through platforms that ClickUp integrates with. By employing ClickUp's client management SOP template, customizing statuses, and leveraging automation, you're not just improving efficiency, you're creating a more structured and intelligent approach to client management. This proactive management style ultimately enhances client satisfaction and helps foster a long-lasting professional relationship. Remember, mastering this process can lead to smoother operations and a polished experience that clients certainly notice and appreciate. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now on your way to mastering client management with ClickUp. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.